back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This is another look, part of my Valentine's Day series. This is something a little bit purple and like pink, and it's cute, okay? It's super cute and a little bit dramatic. We got some bottom lashes going on here. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If this is your first time subscribing to my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get right into this video.
meant to be. Girl, every day and every night.
Alright, I hope you guys really enjoyed that tutorial. It's supposed to be something super dramatic but still fun and pretty. You can literally leave your house like this, you know, if you want to be popping and glowing and ish. This is your look, okay? If you guys did like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any other videos you'd like to see on the channel, feel free to comment it below in the comment section. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button before you head out, and make sure you have your notification bell turned on so you can be notified every time your girl uploads. And if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, thank you guys always for all the love and all the support on the channel, and I will see you guys all in our next upload. Bye.